What's up? It's your brother Rod, 94.5 The Buzz, transplanted from Houston to Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina. Look around. This is Gravedigger's Dungeon. This is the home of Gravedigger. If I'm going to learn how to drive monster trucks, I'm coming to the source, baby. So let's see how this goes, man. I am shaking like a leaf, and we're gonna be here all day until I get it right.
What do you got going on?
I mean, these guys are pros, man. This is awesome. These guys are totally customizing this thing for me. The seat, moving the belts, they're moving pedals for me right now to make sure that it's completely set up for me to drive this truck as I'm getting ready for my my training all day. So I do feel like these guys, I'm in good hands right now. But I mean, like I said, these guys are total pros, man. You can tell they know exactly what they're doing. And now we're getting fitted, and it looks like we're gonna get into another truck and start working on this one. Come on! Did you just see that? And of course I'm gonna be a little shaky.
See, you're really fighting with that steering wheel.
Hell yeah.
You kind of need to learn how to palm that thing so that you can, because sometimes you're still correcting with the front and you need to start reaching for the rear. I mean, two-hand is good until you need that rear steer.
Yeah.
You know, I prefer you to drive two-handed until you need that rear steer, but sometimes you're gonna have to end up, you know, so you can hit that rear steer. Doing good.
Whoa. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Everyone's coming over to my house to watch these videos, let me tell you that. Oh my God. These guys are awesome. You guys, thank you so much, man.
No problem.
I can't thank you guys enough. Unbelievable.